Here we have a 2025 Ram 1500. I will be upgrading the rear cargo and third brake light bulbs. I will be using products from a company called Lasfit. Here is what the rear lights look like before I install this product for a comparison. Here is what the rear lights look like after I install this product. Wow, what a difference! Much brighter. Let's do another overview look of the upgraded lights. The before and after is crazy. Before I get into the installation and review, I just wanted to show you of all the options and how easy the site is to use. You just tell the website which vehicle you have and then just scroll through all the options. Very well put together. Here are the two products I'm going to install today. This first set is for the third brake light. These are red. This second set is for the cargo lights. These are white. This is what's going to light up your cab when you open your door or tailgate. Some feedback to the Lasfit company would be to label the product, as there's no verbiage that indicates where the lights are designed for. You basically have to look up the product code. Okay, let's go ahead and open these up. They look very well built, high quality. Next, I will show you how easy it is to install them. All you have to do is unscrew these 4 screws. Please be careful if you use a power drill. A Phillips head screwdriver may be better. This part comes out in one piece. This is going to give me access to all the light bulbs I will be replacing today. This is my first time doing this, so I'm going to take it slow and easy to reduce any damage. I'm noticing on the side, you can easily slip the wires out to give me more slack. I'm noticing this bulb is still hot from them being on for just a little bit of time. This is another good reason to upgrade to LED, as they do not produce heat. Wow, look at the difference in the type and quality of bulb. I don't think there is any certain way to put them in beside the flat insert. There was this satisfying snap sound. That lets me know it's in good. Now you just want to carefully put it back in place. You're going to line up the grooves and turn clockwise till it sits well with that rubber O-ring. Then tuck the wires back in securely. That's how fast and easy that is. Now, I'm going to do the second one, but I'm going to speed up the process as it is exactly the same. Now, let's do the red third brake light. The way you know it's red is from these small red dots on the bulbs itself. Hopefully you can see this. Once again, the same process. The wiring was just slightly different. Also, with my particular vehicle, there is only one bulb for the red third brake light. So I don't know why this comes 2 in a pack. Let me know in the comments below if your vehicle uses 2. And there you have it. Very easy. Here is the test to make sure everything works well. There will be links to purchase this product in the description. Also, we have a discount code. Like always, thank you for watching Clayton Reviews It.